20th, a time of no peace and war. Hundreds of millions of homeless or dead. Violence can still prevail across the world as a whole in this 21st century. Many are suffering because of tensions between different nations. Far too many people across the world are too scared even to leave their home. Every day, or relatives, mothers, injured or died in fighting.
All this, people are trying to establish a climate of conflict instead of between civilizations. Possible to regard such efforts as legitimate, remain silent of them. Obvious that civilization will lead to a terrible disaster for all mankind. One of the primary ways by which such a tragedy can be prevented is the strengthening of collaboration between civilizations. This is because there are no profound differences, as some would have us believe. On the contrary, and as we shall be revealing supporting evidence in this document, there are aspects in common between Islamic civilization and the Judeo-Christian culture that represents the foundation of Western civilization. So, on the basis of these common values, collaborate to solve the problems of the world.